Custer County District Court on multiple counts of murder in the first degree, one for Kent Powell and the other for Billie West. There are also multiple counts of use of a vehicle to discharge a firearm, as well as an assault with a dangerous weapon. Here in Custer County, we have been coordinating with both the district attorney for Canadian County as well as the district attorney for Caddo County and multiple law enforcement agencies. And at this time, all of these counts will be handled here in Custer County.
For the 5 counts of vehicle used to discharge a weapon, why wasn't it
We filed what we felt was the appropriate charge under the facts and the circumstances of the case. It's still very early on in the investigation, and certainly if more information comes forward and other charges are indicated, we will file the appropriate charges at that time.
Do you expect more charges?
It remains to be seen.
I was about to ask Mike that. So do you believe there could be some more victims out there?
It's very early in the investigation, and so OSBI is primarily continuing their investigation at this time.
Did the suspect make any statements at all while he was standing before the judge today in the courtroom?
He just entered his plea of not guilty on the charges. Bond was denied in the case as well by Judge Donna Derrickson.
Are you surprised by that?
I'm not surprised. I believe the facts and the circumstances warranted a denial of bond. I believe under our case law in the state of Oklahoma, it was certainly very appropriate.
You obviously spoke with a few of the victims in this case that are the surviving victim. Talk to me a bit about what they're going through.
It wouldn't be appropriate for me to comment on that at this time. I would ask that both the public and the media honor the families, both the West family and the Powell family's right to privacy. They're going through, obviously, a very difficult time at this time.
Any idea if you'll have to undergo a mental health evaluation?
It's still very early on in the process.
Did the suspect seem to be aware of the gravity of the charges that that are being brought against him today?
You were in court, and I'm going to let you all address that. That's certainly a personal opinion, and so I think that it wouldn't be appropriate for me to comment on that at this time.
According to the affidavit, it appears as though he chased Mr. Wood for a while before getting up on that chase. Talk to me about all the dangers associated with that, why he may have done that kind of thing.
You know, certainly it's ethically, I'm very limited on what I can say, and so to start going further into the facts, I don't think it would be appropriate to do so at this time.
Was this today the first time that you saw the suspect, that you had seen him?
Absolutely. Today was the first time I had seen him in person.
What happens now?
The next court date is a preliminary hearing conference on February 26th of 2016. His attorney date is on January 22nd of 2016.